Hi there, and welcome to a Papetti Math YouTube video tutorial where I'm going to be teaching you, yes you, Algebra 1. And in this video we're about to begin Chapter 2, which deals mainly with functions. So the first question we need to ask ourselves is, what is a function? And we're dealing with functions in algebra, so let's take a look. It says, in algebra you will be working with many different types of functions. Perhaps one of the most important definitions to remember in the algebra course is the definition of a function. And if we could really understand what a function is by the end of this lesson, that's going to be so helpful for the remainder of your study of algebra. So it says the definition of a function is a relation in which each input or x value has exactly one output or y value. So we'll get into that a little bit further in a second. But today we're going to look at functions in various forms, but we're going to begin with some real life functions, functions that you might experience every day. So let's start off in exercise number 1 by considering a computer keyboard. If you were to press the following keys, what character would appear on the screen? And let's fill in the table. So it says when you press the B key, a lowercase b appears. And that's true because the only key we're pressing is B, and we're going to assume that caps lock is not on, and we're just going to press the one letter. So now we have the F key. What character will be displayed? And when you go ahead and if you want to try that out, just by pressing the F key, assuming no other functions are turned on, it's going to display a lowercase letter f. And then the W key will display a W. When you press the 2, out comes a 2. When you press the 9, on your screen you'll see a 9. So we have to ask ourselves this question: is there any way a user could strike the B key, assuming the caps lock function is off, and any other character besides B appears? For example, can I press the B key and an M will come out? Maybe an R or a Q? Maybe I'll press the B key and it'll move it to the next line, like the Enter key does. No, that's not possible. The B key will always just give you B as an output. So that's why this is an example of a function, because every single input, whatever key you press, will display exactly one character on the screen. So there's not another way. No, there is no way this could happen. Which takes us to the next part. It says for every key the user presses or the input, the keyboard will display exactly one character, which we just said, or we'll call that the output. This is an example of a function. Each input has exactly one output, no more, no less. Now, if this video was helpful as an introduction to what is a function, give the video a thumbs up. And now you're ready for exercise number 2, and you can click on the link in this video to get there. Thank you for watching.